Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggypeg. Welcome to my channel. So today I am actually gonna show you how I got this hairstyle using my 22-inch bundle from Sunber Hair. So yeah, I know you're probably but this is not like 22 inches, like this is way longer than 22 inches. Well, this is what I'm gonna show you in this video, how to fake longer hair with shorter bundles, shorter hair, so you don't have to buy some longer bundles to do another style, especially when we know that longer hair is more expensive than shorter hair. So now you're gonna be able to fake long hair with short hair. So yeah, this is my hair from Sunber Hair, as I said. So I'm gonna show you the video. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, so I'm just combing out my real hair, and I'm just gonna smooth everything to put in a high ponytail. So I am using a brush and a comb for that, and I am using an elastic to make sure that everything is tight. So this is my hair from Sunber Hair. So I will have all the info of this hair in the description box, so check it out if you want to buy this hair. I really recommend it. So what I'm gonna do with my real hair is just make a braid. And I'm gonna secure it with an elastic. So then I'm just gonna take a little piece of the extension, and I'm gonna tie it down with my real hair using an elastic. So I don't use bobby pins or thread and needles for that, just an elastic. It will make the trick. So after that, all I'm gonna do is roll the extension around my braid. So the fact that I started at the bottom is actually what's gonna make it look longer. So yeah, so I'm just rolling the rest of the extension around my braid, and I don't need to use bobby pin to secure it, like it's gonna secure itself. So yeah, just going to the top. So when I got at the end, I took a little piece of the extension, and I rolled that around the base of my ponytail, and I combed my hair a little bit, and I did take a little bigger piece of hair just to make sure that it was really secured. So yeah, I didn't use anything to hold it at the end, like everything was really secured. So I'm just doing my edges here. So yeah, you saw that the hair, the ponytail was very long. And yeah, that's it for the tutorial, guys. So I hope you enjoyed.